the particular process that we have followed, in which we have destroyed a large quantity of drugs, is once again another example of our commitment as a state government for the war against drugs in our state. Many steps have been taken in the past, and many more will be taken in the future. In the last few months, we have opened up the police station specifically to fight against drugs, and a team has been set up. Different programs, policies have been created by the state government in order to ensure that this war against drugs is taken to the next level. And today, once again, as I said, we are here to prove and to also show the entire state that we are very, very serious about the war against drugs. And I would like to give my sense of appreciation and congratulations to the police department, which has done an excellent job, headed by our DGP and the other officials who are in charge, our SP in charge of the ANT and the Anti-Narcotics Task Force, and all the other SPs who are working closely in tandem with them, and all the other officials of the administration also who are working closely. Today, as our Deputy Commissioner has mentioned, that drugs worth over 53 crores have been destroyed, which includes almost about 23.98 crores worth of heroin, which has been destroyed, about 7.6 crores worth of ganja, about 21.3 crores worth of white crystal meth, and many other forms of drugs and substance abuse that is there. The materials, those have been today destroyed. And again, as mentioned by DGP, we have in our stock more that will be destroyed in the coming months, but there are procedures that need to be followed as per law, and certain permissions need to be taken from the court. And as a very strong message to our state, our citizens, that we are very serious about this, and this particular war and the fight against drugs will continue. But in order for us to overcome this, we need to work together. And so I also take this opportunity to appeal to the citizens, to the community, to our people, that we must be in this together and work together as a team.